Are you tired of your Odoo dashboard being cluttered with old databases you no longer need? Learn how to delete any database in under 2 minutes. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path from your dashboard to the delete confirmation, so you can clean up in seconds. All right, first navigate to the home page of your Odoo account. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner. And then, click on My Databases. Now, choose the database you want to delete from the list. Next, click the small gear icon next to it. Then, click on Manage. On this page, locate the Delete Database option. Go ahead and click on Delete. Then click Delete again to confirm. That's how you delete it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.